Ceramic cookware. Explained, the secrets chefs won't tell you. Welcome to this comprehensive guide on ceramic cookware. Whether you're a home cook looking to upgrade your kitchen equipment, a health-conscious consumer concerned about cooking surface safety, or a culinary enthusiast seeking optimal performance, understanding ceramic cookware can dramatically transform your cooking experience. Ceramic cookware might seem straightforward, but its importance cannot be overstated for anyone serious about cooking. The difference between mediocre and exceptional ceramic pans isn't just about price. It's about specific composition factors that enhance performance, durability, and safety. Today, we're cutting through the marketing hype to reveal the single most crucial feature that separates truly effective ceramic cookware from disappointing options. This key feature makes more difference than brand name, price point, or even aesthetics in many cases. Before diving into that critical feature, let's establish what makes ceramic cookware different from other options. Modern ceramic cookware typically falls into two distinct categories: 100% ceramic, made entirely from clay, minerals, and quartz that's kiln-fired, and ceramic-coated, metal pans with a silicon-based ceramic-like coating. Each type offers different performance characteristics that are often misunderstood by consumers. Standard ceramic-coated cookware features an aluminum or stainless steel base with a proprietary coating made from inorganic materials like silicon and oxygen, creating a non-stick surface without traditional PTFE Teflon chemicals. Pure ceramic cookware, by contrast, contains no metal and is made entirely from natural minerals hardened through firing. Now, the one feature that truly separates exceptional ceramic cookware from mediocre options: coating composition and application quality. Coating quality is the defining characteristic of effective ceramic cookware, but it's not as simple as thicker is better. The optimal coating depends entirely on the specific manufacturing process and materials used. This nuanced understanding of ceramic coating technology is what manufacturers rarely explain clearly and what makes the biggest difference in performance. For ceramic-coated cookware, a multi-layer approach with properly cured sol gel ceramic coating provides the ideal balance of non-stick performance and durability. These third-generation ceramic coatings typically feature nanoscale ceramic particles suspended in a silicon-based matrix that's applied in multiple thin layers rather than a single thick coat. For mid-range ceramic-coated options, a reinforced ceramic coating with additional hardening minerals like titanium or diamond dust offers improved durability over basic formulations. These enhanced ceramic coatings usually feature proprietary additives that extend the effective lifespan of the non-stick properties. For pure ceramic cookware, the clay composition and firing technique determine quality. High-grade ceramic cookware features carefully selected mineral compositions, fired at precise temperatures above 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, creating a naturally non-porous, non-reactive cooking surface that develops seasoning over time. This crucial relationship between coating quality and performance explains why price points vary so dramatically in the ceramic cookware market. No single manufacturing approach excels across all cooking styles and usage patterns. The most disappointing experiences with ceramic cookware almost always stem from misunderstood limitations. Using high heat with ceramic-coated pans dramatically reduces their lifespan, while sudden temperature changes can crack pure ceramic pieces regardless of their quality. Now that we understand this critical feature, let's examine other important factors that complement proper coating quality. Base construction significantly impacts performance, particularly for ceramic-coated options. Heavy-gauge aluminum cores, typically 3 to 4 millimeters, offer the best balance between heat distribution, reasonable weight, and affordability for most users. Premium options may include multi-ply constructions with copper or stainless steel layers that enhance heating performance but come with higher price tags. Avoid thin-walled ceramic-coated pans without specific base thickness specifications, as these typically lack the thermal mass needed for consistent cooking. For induction compatibility, look for models specifically designed with ferromagnetic base plates that enable induction use without compromising heat distribution. Handle design is particularly important for ceramic cookware. Quality handles feature heat-resistant materials like silicone-wrapped stainless steel, phenolic compounds, or properly attached wooden components. The handle attachment method should distribute stress evenly to prevent coating damage near rivets or welding points. Some professional-grade ceramic cookware features hollow-core stainless handles that reduce heat transfer, a valuable feature for stovetop to oven transitions. Handles should balance comfort with practical heat management for best results. Temperature tolerance varies significantly between ceramic types. Pure ceramic cookware typically handles extreme temperatures, up to 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit in some cases. Premium ceramic-coated cookware usually remains safe to 600 to 800 degrees Fahrenheit. Standard ceramic-coated options generally stay safe to 350 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Low-end ceramic-coated products may develop issues above 300 degrees Fahrenheit. For most home users, a ceramic-coated pan rated to at least 450 degrees Fahrenheit provides the best versatility for typical cooking techniques. Professional users often prefer pure ceramic for high-temperature applications, despite its higher maintenance requirements. Surface hardness also matters significantly. Quality ceramic coatings feature Mohs hardness ratings between 5 to 7, providing reasonable protection against metal utensils and everyday wear. Pure ceramic surfaces typically exceed hardness ratings of 7, making them exceptionally resistant to scratching but potentially more brittle. The firing process and cooling techniques also influence quality in pure ceramic pieces. Well-designed ceramic cookware undergoes carefully controlled cooling to minimize internal stress, reducing the likelihood of thermal shock damage during use. Some specialized manufacturers employ proprietary annealing processes that further enhance durability. Based on extensive research and professional chef insights across different cooking styles, here are our specific recommendations based on cooking needs. For everyday nonstick cooking with reasonable durability, Green Pan Valencia Pro offers excellent coating quality, substantial aluminum construction, and moderate heat tolerance at a reasonable price point around $70 to $90 for a 10-inch pan. For versatile high performance with extended lifespan, Caraway Ceramic Cookware provides superior multi-layer coating technology with outstanding heat distribution and exceptional aesthetic options, though at a higher price point of $95 to $130 per piece. For professionals or serious enthusiasts prioritizing longevity, Extrema Pure Ceramic 10-inch skillet delivers true ceramic construction with excellent thermal retention and unmatched durability at a premium price point of $120 to $150. For budget-conscious buyers still wanting quality performance, Tefal Initiatives Ceramic offers reliable ceramic coating with decent aluminum thickness and satisfactory non-stick properties at an accessible price point around $25 to $35 per piece. The most important advice we can offer: understand and respect the limitations of your ceramic cookware type. This single consideration will improve your results and extend the lifespan of your investment more than any other factor. Regardless of budget, proper care extends the life of any ceramic cookware. Always allow ceramic-coated pans to cool before cleaning. Use moderate heat settings, medium or lower, avoid metal utensils, and hand wash with non-abrasive cleaners. Pure ceramic pieces can handle higher heat but require careful handling to prevent impacts and thermal shock. We hope this guide helps you make an informed decision about the ceramic cookware that best suits your cooking style and kitchen needs. What type of cooking do you typically do? And which ceramic cookware attributes matter most to you? Share your preferences in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical kitchen insights that focus on what really matters for cooking performance. Thanks for watching.